Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
It is during the hot summer months of April and May that wheat is being harvested in the fields of Punjab. That is a major activity. And guavas are growing in my orchards back at home, which we will use for the recipe of the day. Along with mint growing in my kitchen gardens will also be used. But what are we making? How to make spicy, sweet and sour, diabetic and weight loss friendly guava, amrud, sabji, anti-cancer, antioxidants, vitamin C loaded, immunity booster and heart friendly. For that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah, may he wash away assumptions, perceptions, rigidity and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe of the day. Garden fresh mint, as I had mentioned, and into the blender we add ginger as per as your taste, or 1 inch is sufficient. Again add to the blender. Garden fresh tomatoes, chop roughly and add. And garden fresh green chilies, again as per as your taste, add to the blender and blend into a more or less a smooth puree. Look at that, and set aside in a freezer to be used later. Now garden fresh guavas we cut, de-seed and roughly cube them. 2 or more as per as your choice. When done, there, we are ready to go now. Add to the cooker along with water from any natural source and sea salt or any natural salt. Boil till first whistle, as ladies would say, and set aside to lose its steam and cool down a shade, and only then open the cooker. And there, beautifully done. Sieve the guavas from the watery extract, but don't throw away the watery extract because it can be used and we are going to use it. This can be used in any curry or dough, and also in this sabji. Now aag lagao. Rice bran, kachi ghani or cold pressed oil. Has safatida, good for digestion, fights acidity, gas, bloating, etc. and brings out the taste in the dish. Again very necessary. Freshly roasted cumin seeds, and when this butter, add the mint and tomato puree that we had made earlier and stir well. Stir rather well because this must not burn. Allow the mint and tomato puree to come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, add coriander powder, turmeric, pink rock or Himalayan salt, red chili powder, and stir continuously till the puree is properly cooked. It must not be burnt. It has to be stirred continuously. Now, when done, garden fresh tomato quartered twice, but this is optional. I like it this way, so that is why I am doing it. You can always skip it. Now stir well and mix well. Add the guavas that we had boiled earlier, stir well to mix well. And when done, homemade fresh curd. Add the curd and imagine the taste. Imagine the fragrance. What a beautiful fragrance. Mix well, mix well. Now taste and make corrections if any, if required. None. Now add the watery extract of guavas as per as thickness required and mix well. Add brown sugar or jaggery and garam masala. These are the samples that I had made for a client. Add the garam masala and mix well. Stir well to mix well. You can adjust the consistency now also. Now our diabetic and weight loss friendly guava or amrud ki sabji is ready. And plate and serve as main dish, side dish with roti, daan, paratha, rice, pulao, biryani, or as a stuffing or for a paratha or a sandwich of your choice. And remember to treat all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.